Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT R15, and today I will show you how to enable Google Backup. So to get started, you want to open up the settings, pull up the app tray and find your settings app. From here, scroll to accounts probably. Yep, there it is, accounts. And then add account. Now make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. I'm already am. If you're not, you won't be able to do this. So let's tap on Google. Give it a moment, it will start loading. And then it will give us an option to log into Google. Now, if you don't have an account, you can always create the account. Right in a moment, you will see an option to create an account that you can then use right here. So now, assuming you already have one, you can just tap here to insert an email or a phone number. I'm gonna use an email. Then tap on next. And I'm gonna put in the password. And again, tap on next. And give me a moment, I wrote the password wrong. There we go. So as you can see, then you get a Google Terms of Service, which you need to agree to. And then make sure that backup is enabled and tap on accept. And as you can see, now you have the account, so you can tap on it and it will take you to additional settings. So account sync, and you'll see a couple of options that you can sync. Okay, so I think now it's entire list. So from here you can enable and disable what you don't want to sync. So for instance, you could disable contacts. So now the contacts would only be kept on this phone. And if you're using that same account on a, let's say, different phone, the only thing that wouldn't be synced between those two devices are contacts now. But everything else like calendar, Gmail, Drive, and stuff like that would be synced between those two devices that are on the same account. So you can basically disable and enable whatever you like here. And that is how you would enable Google Backup. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.